So this week's episode of Journeys with John, we go to Navasota, Texas, in which we go to the BeeWeaver farm. The folks at BeeWeaver farm were gracious enough to have me and let me film one of their tours. These weekly tours provide a great insight for people wanting to know more about the bees.
He started at the age of 21, and he's been doing it for a little over 50 years. So add that up, and you know how old Mr. Roosevelt is. If he doesn't know it, no one does.
This was saying, I've been buzzing these bees over 50 years, and they've been buzzing me for over 50 years. Sometimes they make me want to run me off, but I may walk on a little bit, but I come back. But and then it's amazing. A bee is kind of funny. If you got a real sunshiny day, they'll be less aggressive. Now, a cloudy day like today, and rainy, then they'll be. Most of them be at home, and then they don't want to be bothered. Then they want to fight. All they're doing is protecting their house. They're protecting their honey, which a lot of us humans want to take their honey. So that's what be happening. But so much for me. We need to get into the bees. So I'm gonna get suited up, and when I get out and go out front, everybody need to turn their attention this way, because that's where I'll be into the bees. So let me ask this question: have anybody ever been into a beehive? So wait, I asked that question because maybe I may need some help. Maybe somebody need help. You got the worker bee, and you got the drone, which is the male bee. When the worker bee, he's the one. She's the one go out. She goes out, bring honey in, bring the pollen in, and then and they protect the hive. They protect their honey, which a lot of humans want to take it, because that's the name of the game. Well, but sometimes we can have a poor year, and the bees don't make much honey. We feed them sugar water, sugar syrup. We see that we got a big tank up there. We fill it up. If we got any that don't, some years it ain't no good honey year. So we have to feed them a little bit. Then if we take too much honey from them, we feed them. We don't do them all wrong. We take care of them. Okay. This is my protection. Keep them stinging in the face, because in the face it does hurt. I don't care about my arms anymore. But a queen never flies out. She stays at home all the time. Here we go. This is our
He's gonna pull it out.
first frame with the bees.
Wow.
She looks different. Now this is what we call. This used to be eggs at one time. You got 3 stages. You got the egg, larva, and the pupa. Right here, this finna hatch more bees out. It takes 21 days. And in a few days, this will be hatched out. Now, see them colors in there? All in here. That's pollen. There she is right here. They be trying to keep it covered. Baby, y'all stay back, because they can sting in your face quick.
He's gonna bring it around, okay?
You see it right here?
Wow.
Got it? Okay. That's it right here.
The BeeWeaver honey farm proved to be a great experience to observe bees up close and personal. I would recommend this to anyone, especially kids and family. The bee farm does more than just tours. They also have a gift shop in which they sell their local honey, which includes many different flavors. The BeeWeaver honey farm ultimately proved why Texas really does have that southern hospitality.